taken by iPhone 7 Plus front camera. So I have to sell my whale because whale today it gains like in the first 24 hours this is 19, but actually I'm still lost because I have bought it when the price is more than today, but because my friend who really need to get it, so I sell it and use that money to buy the GoPro because my last GoPro, as you can see in the previous video, is already broken when we go to the island. So let's get started. Here we are, guys. Finally I got my GoPro in my hand, which is the special bundle, which is include some accessory inside it, like the included here is the tripod, extra battery, and the head mount, and the 30 gig of memory, micro SD card. This is will be very useful. I bought it in the local store, which is the price is how much? 300 no 432, and because I will use this in an action video, like I will go on to some deep into the water and try, and also I will do the fishing also. So I try to buy one. This is $15, 15. This is be more the chest. It will be very useful. So let's me tour you what's included in the GoPro 8. I won't go to detail and show you the how this tape, like this GoPro 8 is still 12 MP, and let me switch the camera. As you see is in the video, because the spec is revealed in the box, it's a little bit dirty because I dropped my coffee inside the plastic that is contained together with the accessory and this box, so you can see the dirty out there with the case of this GoPro. So it is the specs that written down. If you want to see more specific specification of the GoPro 8, I think you can go to the official website, because I think the 8 times slow-mo is very useful. Live stream is just happen the same with the previous one. Hyper smooth 2.0, this is very new and give you a hyper smooth, like when you're running and action, this will try to make you more stabilized on your video. But it also, you have to you cannot maximize all the functionality in the same time. 4K 60 frame, this is very useful, but most of the time what I really need is only 1080 with the 50 frame is also okay, but this time it gives you the 1080 with 240 frame. Other like raw light burst and voice control, touchscreen, GPS, and this is under the water with 10 meter. Let's go inside what's included with this accessory special bundle. So we got this one. This is supposed to be opened by the seller, but I asked her to stop, so it's almost open it, but it's okay. I will just grab it. Let's see what's inside. Cool. So on top of the box you will see unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro footage. Wow. They make camera replacement, no question and ask. Try it for free at Combo Free Plus. So this is just like a warranty. Keep it aside. Second is just like a user guideline. How this is user guideline, and you're going to download the GoPro apps, how you mount it, and how you replace the battery, charge it, just like a user guide. Have any question? Chat with the expert. This is also a user guide, sticker, and this is the full manual. I bet many people won't read this one. See what's inside. So the 32 gig of the micro SD card. There are some branches that is not make it very good when you're recording, because if you don't choose the micro SD card wisely, it will freeze your GoPro. I mean, when you record it like in a bigger, longer period, it will have a hard time to save, then it become freezing. SD card. Here we have the USB Type-C, so that it can be charged to your iPhone. Extra battery. This is what I love the most in this package, because I can use this for like in a longer trip. So I got two. I got the head mount, and this is so can stick with your helmet, and then you put your GoPro mount inside, and then it will be stick with that. Okay, and this is the tripod. It's so small. Wait, how to open this one? Here. Okay, then what else? This can be, I think it's, here. Damn. Nah, is this it? So okay, that's great. So stick, huh? Whew. That's it. So now let me open this one. So put it like this, and I never unbox this kind of. So now it's on a hand. Keep the side. Stay there, boy. This thing, I think this one can be, yeah, you can put it into the side your body, your chest, and then you can put more, so that you can have two, this one and this one. So cool. Right there. So let me go straight to the GoPro, then put it back. This is come with the new way of mount it, because this is not, yeah, okay, this is could be replaced, because this is the, I don't know if you can see here the screw up there, it make you replacement on that, but GoPro 8 has no replacement on this one. And the battery, here, so you then open it like this, and this one really can be take it out, then you can put the battery, you put the, what about this one, the micro SD in here, put the battery, and this is the charger. So let me put it back. Come on, boy, I'm checking a video, please don't make me uncomfortable with you. Okay, good. Then wait, why this is not fit in yet. Okay, let me, oh, here, just like that. Oh man. So, which is make me not really comfortable with this. Is it sure that it can be protect with the water? I don't know, let me try later. So this is the plastic on the screen, you have to remove it. I think more or less it's just like that. It's not so much different. It will be take a little bit time to play around with this one new toy. So the next step on this thing is I will going to charge the battery on it, then install the apps into my iPhone, which is my iPhone is recording right now. Then I think do another one important thing is to upgrade the firmware out there. Then okay, the trip will be begin so soon with GoPro 8. Time to assemble all the bundle and what's included and charge the battery before go to outdoor. So I open the take out the sticker. It's so new, huh? So for my recommendation, if you want to keep it look good, you can buy the tape and put it just like an iPhone screen. So the battery, they are so similar with the previous iPhone, but except this one they come with the blue one, and I never tried it yet. I haven't tried it if this is compatible with the previous one. So but from the recommendation, the shouldn't use this one because it will be harm your GoPro 8. Also keep the battery first. Let's start with the micro USB. How to open this one? I'm not professional unbox. This is so real, huh? Okay. Here one problem that I ever meet, like whether I use this or this one. Okay, try with this one. Yeah, correct. Then battery, great. So it indicator this one. I think this one have another indicator here. So okay, then we're good to go with my USB. Okay, for further feedback after I use this, I will give you a feedback in the next video. So it's that tool with how to use and configure it. If you like to see how I configure my GoPro, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because this channel will give you a real trip adventure, and I never make it short.